Hello friends, here Akhil Shrivastava teaching you maths. Exercise 12.3 question number 6. There is a table cover given in which of a radius 3 cm. A circular table cover is this and design is made. In the middle, find the area of the design. You want to find out the area of the design of this. So first you see what is the angle here. 60 degree. Side of equilateral triangle is not given, but radius of the triangle is given. And you join this. What will you get here? It is a 120 degree. 120 degree is there, then you find the area of minor segment. Theta is given 120 degree and you find the area of 1. There is 1, 2, 3 minor segment because all the chords are equal. Equal chords subtend equal angle at the center, or a chord subtend angle in the remaining part just double as their angle AOB is equal to double of 60 double 120. So area of minor segment. Area of minor segment formula is there. Pi r square theta by 360 minus r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This you will put here values. It is an area of one minor segment. How many minor segments are there? 1, 2, 3. So area of design is equal to thrice of area of minor segment. What you are getting. It is a very simple formula you can put and solve it. Question number 7 is here. In the question number 7 it is given. There is a 4 circular rings. There is a 1 square given and out of this there is a 4 circle is given. This, here and here. Here is the 4 circles are given. You want to find out the area of this shaded region. 4 circles are. ABCD. ABCD is a square at all the center and radius is half of the side. And side is given, square is given 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter is the side, so radius is this. All are the same radius. So radius is A by 2, that is 7 centimeter. A is equal to 14 centimeter. All are forming the quadrant. 1, 2, 3 quadrant. Out circle is no problem. So area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant. Why quadrant? Because it is a circle. It is a square, so each angle 90 degrees. So it forms a quadrant. A square minus 4 into pi r square by 4. 4 cancel. A into pi a minus, and you get your answer. No need to separately you find. You find the combined formula of the different figures. You are getting this. Question number 8. Question number 8 is given. There is a one park track. Track is a like this. In the class 7th, 8th also it is given. Both the side running track is here and it has a width and length. Semicircular this, and you are getting here. This is the part. What is the distance between the two inner layers? Inner line is 60 meter. Distance between two inner line, it is the inner line, 60 meter. So this will be also 60, this will be also 60. And one more thing is given. The track is, the segment is 160 meter and they are of each 106 meter long. The distance between this is given 106 meter long, only this portion, not the semi-circular portion which is curved. And it is also given, first the distance around the track along the inner edge. You want to find out the distance along the inner edge. First it is a center. Here it is a center. So one radius you are getting this. One radius you are getting this capital R. And the park width is given 10 meter wide. What is given? 10 meter wide. It is given 10 meter wide all around. 10 meter wide path is there, like a class 8 you have a question. So there is a 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 2 are rectangle. So inner edge means only you want this 106, 106 and one part this, one part this. It is 2 pi r by 2. Circumference 2 pi r by 2. Twice of the circle, same circumference of the circle, 2 cancel, and then inner edge, length of first part, length of inner edge is equal to 2 into 106 plus pi r plus pi r, 2 pi r. 1 pi r this side, 1 pi r another side, both the pi r with half semicircle. So it is your answer for the radius is given. What is the radius? Radius is given 60 by 2, 30. Radius is 30 meter, pi r and everything. Length is 106. You are getting first part. Second part. What is the second part? In the second part it is given area of the track. What is given? Area of the track you want. Second part. Second part, area of the track means one rectangle this you want, one rectangle this you want, one semicircle you want this you want, one semicircle you want this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, twice rectangle, 106 multiply by 10, it is also 10. So area of, and what is the capital, small r is given 30, capital R is given 30 plus 10, 40. It is the distance. What is the area of track? Area of the track you want. Find the area of the track. That is area of rectangular, twice of the area of rectangle plus twice of the area of semicircle. Semicircle means semicircular region. Semicircle area, that you will get pi capital R square minus pi small r square. 2 into 106 into 10 plus, it is this 106 into 10. Pi capital R square, 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Why? Because this you get one part here and one part here. What will you get? It is the small r, it is the capital R. You want to find out two sides. So outer circle minus inner circle. 2 pi capital R square by 2. 2 cancel. So what will you get? Twice of this. This is half and 2 will be cancelled here. This by 2. That you will get. Pi capital R square, then what will you cancel? 2 and 2 cancel. You are getting pi capital R square minus square. These two form a circle. This figure and this figure together you join, you will get like this, inner circle and outer circle. So pi capital R square minus small r square. Put the values and get the result. Question number 9. Question number 9 is given. There is a one circle. There is a one circle and one diameter is there intersecting at 90 degree. 4 quadrants. It is given this, and here there is a circle which is a half of the diameter of this. It is one more circle. So this is shaded, this is shaded and this is shaded. You want to find out the diameter of a smaller circle is the radius of the greater. Diameter of the smaller circle is the radius of the greater. If the OA is equal to, it is given O, A, B, C, D. And question given, two diameter circle perpendicular to each other. It is given 90 degree. Perpendicular to each other means quadrant. And it is given if this D is equal to R. Which R? It is capital R. D is equal to capital R. I am taking OA. OA is equal to capital R, which is given how much? 7 centimeter. So D is equal to capital R. So small r, if here small r radius is D by 2, means 7 by 2 centimeter. It is the area of this small circle. So shaded region you want. Semicircle minus area of triangle. R segment. I hope it is area of shaded region. Shaded region is equal to area of small circle plus area of small circle plus area of semicircle minus area of triangle BABC. You can get what is area of small circle? Pi small r square plus area of semicircle is pi capital R square by 2. Why? Because it is a capital R, so pi r minus half into AB into OC. Half into base into height. Base is AB, AB into OC. OC is also R. And it is also R plus R2R. So diameter. So you can get pi r square plus pi r square by 2. Capital R here. Very difficult to see. Pi capital R means 7. Here 7 by 2. Here 7. Minus half into AB. AB is 7 plus 7, 14. AB is equal to twice of capital R, that is 14. Into OC is 7. This you solve and you will get the answer of the shaded. Another method, find the area of the minor segment, double it, add area of this circle. Minor segment, double it, and area of this circle. Question number 10. Question number 10 is here. What is the question number 10? There is a equilateral triangle given. Question number 10. And each side of the equilateral triangle has a diameter. There is some circles are drawn, like a square given. Okay? Then you want to find out this shaded region. It is a equilateral triangle ABC. ABC is a equilateral triangle. In this you want to find out the shaded region, and where area of this equilateral triangle is given. Area of triangle ABC is given 17320.5 centimeter square, and pi is given 3.14, and root 3 is given full value 1.73205. It is values given in the question. Find the area of the shaded region. Very important thing. First of all, you find out area of triangle is given, means root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 17320.5. So a square will be 17320.5 into 4 upon root 3. Put the value of root 3 into 4 upon 1.73205. Because of this area, the value of full value is not full, but 5 decimal places are given. So decimal places will be removed. 1 0, here 1 decimal place is there, and here 1 2 3 4 5. So what will you get here? 1 2 3 4 5. 4 0 will be increased there. 17320.5. After this 4 zeros into 4 divide by 17320.5. Decimal is removed. You are saying 1 decimal 5 and here 1 4 0. So this will cancel this and you are getting 1 after this 4 zeros. Means 40. What is 40,000? It is the A square. Then therefore what is the A? Square root, that is 2 to the 4, 200. 200 is the side of this. If it is 200 given, then what is the R? R will be A by 2, that is 100. 100 centimeter. Centimeter is given in the book. It is 100 centimeter. Now, what is the theta in this? Theta is 60 degree because theta is equal to 60 degree. So, area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. In this case, how will you find out? Area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus 3 into area of sector. There is a 3 sectors. So area of triangle no need to calculate again. It is given 1732050.5 minus 3 into pi r square theta by 360. Where r is given, theta is given, pi is given. Pi you put 3.14, theta 60, r 100, and then you will get your answer. That for today we'll take in the next lecture.